I'm Shubham, the co founder and CEO of Cruitical, and we help companies get the full picture of how a candidate works, learns, and uses AI before the very first interview. Let me walk you through how we do this. So let's assume Amplitude, the analytics company, is hiring for forward deployed engineers. So the first thing that we do here is create what we call a role persona for Amplitude and for this particular role. We do this by deep research about the company's culture, organizational structure, and how they ship, and also through deep, specific conversations with the hiring managers to learn more about what good truly looks like for this role and their team specifically. We're trying to find out some nice to haves, what's negotiable, some red flags, things that they look for, signals that they care about. And this helps us build a much better scoring and matching system for this company. uh, for As soon as they integrate with us, we also allow them to integrate with ATS systems or upload resumes manually. As soon as we get a candidate's resume, we're able to build what we call a passport. A passport for this candidate is something like this. We build this by, again, running deep research about the candidate, tying together through their resumes, their LinkedIns, their GitHubs, portfolios, everything we can find about them. We search about their previous companies to learn their organizational structure, focus, their tech stack. We tie together their skills throughout their journey. We're able to surface a few roles that we think they'd be good fits for. And we also find some GitHub projects that we feel would strengthen their profile. And the candidates can also partake in what we call a coffee chat. The coffee chat here is something that they can use to enrich their profile, answer gaps in their journey so far, anything that helps us learn more about them and helps them stand out further. We're trying to extract signals about their decision making, their cultural fit, and in general, it gives employers a much more richer picture of what a candidate is like before they even have a conversation with them. When a candidate has done this much, we're able to score them in a much more tunable manner with what the company really looks for, the ideal candidate persona. We score them across 7 to 8 different dimensions with custom weights that the company can set. We're able to score them with much more explainability than anything out there right now. And if a candidate is deemed a good enough fit to warrant a further assessment, what we do then is put them through a virtual work trial. uh, we have what we call a job ready assessment, which is a virtualized OS inside the browser that we deliver to candidates. It is pre-configured, pre-warmed, and is supposed to look exactly like what the workplace's setup is supposed to look like on day one. The candidates have their project already charted out, their tasks drafted. They have the full brief of what they're supposed to do, some background that they would expect when they would be at the job on a regular day. And they have every AI product that they would need, Claude Code, ChatGPT, whatever they need to fulfill and approach and tackle this problem at hand. Once they've done this, what this looks like on the company's end is they get a picture by picture, second by second analysis of how the candidate performed at this assignment. They have a full session recording that's timestamped, chaptered, very easy for them to view and glance through, and also an AI investigation window where they're able to ask questions to this recording. Very interesting. They can ask how the candidate used Claude Code, how they reviewed AI generated code, how their client communications were, anything that they would need to see at a regular work trial. And that's what Cruitical looks like. We hope with this we're able to make hiring much more faster, fairer, and transparent, and help employers find the candidates they need to fill critical roles.